A equal to ABC and set B is equal to CDE, then the number of both way relation is. Four options associated this problem is given to us and we have to find out the number of relation which are subset of A cross B or B cross A. That means we know that relation R is always subset of Cartesian product of set. So we have to find, because of both way relation means R will be subset of A cross B intersection B cross A. Why I took intersection? Because of both way relation means A cross B and B cross A, that's why. And somehow we can predict the number of relation with the help of cardinality of this intersection. So cardinality of this intersection, so to find this one, let AB be an element which are in this intersection A cross B intersection of B cross A. So A belongs to, or A comma B belongs to A cross B and A comma B belongs to B cross A, and that means A comma B belongs to A and A comma B belongs to B. It means that A comma B belongs to A intersection B. So how many position or how many times we can choose A, because of we need to write elements like this AB which are coming from this intersection. So number of times we can choose A and number of times we can choose B. So that will be equal to cardinality of A intersection B. It means that we have to take two times because of for A and for B. So cardinality of this one is equal to cardinality of A intersection B square. So we have the concept means cardinality of this one is equal to cardinality of this, as you can see. So this is remark point you can consider. Now you can see set A and B is given to us. Set A is B comma C and B C D E. So in intersection only element C. So in intersection A intersection B is equal to only element C. So somehow we can predict the number of relation now. So relation will contain only the Cartesian product of this set. So relation will be subset of, because of need to take Cartesian product. So C cross C, and another set is phi cross phi, because of relation is always subset of power set. So we have two possibility. We have two possibility. It means that number of both relation will be 2, means option C is correct.